How to sign up for Healthia affiliate program. Hey guys, today we'll be guiding you through the process of signing up for Healthia affiliate program. Healthia is a fantastic platform designed for healthcare professionals, and their affiliate programs offers an opportunity to earn commissions while promoting a valuable tool. So if you're ready to join Healthia affiliate program, let's dive right into it. Before we jump into the sign up process, let's briefly talk about what the Healthy Affiliate program is all about. This program allows you to earn commissions by promoting Healthier platform, which is a deal for nutritionists, dietitianists looking to streamline their practice and improve patient care. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can access it easily by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click on the link, you will land on this page. Then you need to click on connect. Then you need to click on try it for free. You will be directed to an affiliate application form. Here you will need to provide some essential information including your full name, email address, contact information, details about your professional methods or website. Once you are done, click on try now. Make sure to complete all the required fields accurately. Before you can move forward, it's crucial to read and agree the terms and conditions for Healthy Affiliate Program. Take your time to understand the rules and expectations outlined in the section. Then you need to add some payment information. Upon submitting your application, you'll need to wait for Healthia to review and approve it. Approval times can vary, so be patient during this process. Once your application is approved, you'll receive access to your affiliate dashboard. This is where you'll find valuable resources including your affiliate links and promotional materials and tools to track your performance. Congratulations! With the access to your affiliate dashboard, you can now begin promoting Healthier platform using your unique affiliate links. Whenever someone signs up through your links, you will earn commission. That wraps up our guide on how to sign up for Healthier affiliate program. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.